Crimson Ginger here, and today we are going to be playing White Noise 2. And it's been a while since I last played this game, and last time I played the game is when I was a survivor. Now it's my turn to be a demon. The last time I tried recording it, everybody left and I got angry. But see my beautiful demon? He's such a beautiful demon. Hunt the investigators. Alright. Good. Okay, I'm sorry if you can hear an air conditioner in the background, but go this way. See, I love what they did with White Noise 2, because White Noise 1 was kind of a rip-off of Slender. Because I never played White Noise 2, but I watched someone play. I mean, not White Noise 2, White Noise, I just watched someone play it. And it's been a while since I played a computer game. I can go into like that. In this game, I haven't played in a while. Alright, but, oh gosh, I feel like I'm just going in a huge circle. Come on, Compass. I just want to eat their souls. Okay, I'm going in the right direction. Now, I understand this game might not be the most popular game. You might not even want to watch it, but I love this type of games, and it's another horror game, but instead of me being scared, it's, reversed, and I probably might play. Okay, so I'm guessing they're this way then. So, nope. No, they found a tape. Not good.
How did they obtain them? What did they plan to use them?
I have no idea what he just said, but okay. I don't know if that was a good idea or a bad idea. Oh, tape arms. Alright. Oh gosh. Gotta try to find the survivors. Ooh. Okay, orange bar. I can't let them know I'm here. Yeah. There's hello. And they need to go away. So God. X. And they're not even close. That's just fantastic. Nope. Really? You're all gonna leave like this? Don't play these. I don't play these games. I swear, if you leave, you better not leave. You gotta be mad. Come on. Alright, sorry about the guys. Awkward time and everybody's leaving. That's not fun. Okay, let's do this. I hear a tape, but I don't hear a player. Okay. There they are. They aren't escaping me this time. You guys are gonna see me kill someone.
Give me some more time. I'll tell you how to rid this.
Goodbye. I did it. I killed them all. Okay, that cut is just copyrighted music started playing. kind of mad at myself. Alright, let's continue. Alright guys, we're back and we found a game. And right now I'm gonna just yes. How do you let me type? Yes. So far I'm just gonna play one game as a survivor and 2 games as a demon. I already have the demon recorded. We're back. But yeah. And then next is the demon, and then next the video's done. So that's good. And then yeah, I have a computer video, but let's do it. I honestly do love this game. But of course I have to wait for Dark Smiles XD. What do you mean? Okay, I'm gonna stop, but all this waiting honestly just is annoying, but I can get used to it.
Follow me. Follow me.
Okay. Okay. What are you doing? I don't know. Ooh. What was that? That scared that. Guys. Oh dear gosh. He's scared that I got it.
I've recorded these frequencies many times. I kind of want to hum along them. They're quite relaxing.
Please don't find me. Help. 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 Dear God. Help. 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 Please don't do this. Oh, thank goodness. Give me that battery. But, so we need to find tapes. Probably not going to do so well. I'm not very good at these type of horror games. Oh dear God, that's disgusting. But sorry if you hear an air conditioner in the background, but I can't stop that.
It's not been much time since I started my research, but
yeah, I'm gonna
this has to be it. They must have discovered something.
That's cool. That's cool. Oh, honestly, this game, like, the thing is, it's so slow paced. No offense, but it's very slow paced. Is that a girl? Yeah, it is. But the game is super kind of slow paced though, but it's very fun. And I do enjoy playing as a survivor. This is multiplayer. Like, come on, guys, let's go. I can't see, and I'm gonna run for my life.
Multiple analyses on the drainage
No
water.
way.
Everything is kept under check.
I don't know if you heard me scream, but okay, that air conditioner is highly annoying, but
Ready
I haven't found one.
Follow me.
Run. Nope. Ain't playing these games. I ain't playing yo games. No. I'll save you.
Here.
Oh no, you're
Over here!
I'm coming. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Go on, man. You got this. Perform rituals. I'm helping. I hear you, Mr. Demon. You ain't gonna catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Nobody likes it. Where'd you guys go? There you are. You guys hear that?
Hello?
What if I near? There's some kind of... It is.
He seemed interested. How is he related to this old pile of dirt?
I don't know, but it sounds...
Follow me.
Oh god. The demon died. That on. The thing is with the demon when you're playing. Oh my god. Dead body.
Follow me.
Okay. What kind of name is that guy? Do we find all the clues?
I think we're safe. Over here.
Battery. Recharge my battery. Okay. What was that? Did you guys see that? I swear I just saw something pop on my screen. Replay that, replay that.
Hello.
Stuck. No! A failure.
Here!
Over here.
I'm blind. I'm sorry. Please. Help me. I'm so sorry, man. Like, I just ran out of batteries. I tried to see most of it. But you're working in tangent. It's just confirmed. No, don't hug me. Traitor, like you have to be working with a creature. Did you see his eyes? I mean, her eyes. Like, no, his eyes, like, they look dead. I've been attacked twice and jump scared. No, I'm not following you. Why are you following her? He's probably working with a dang creature. I know I sound like a broken record, but I don't trust him after that creature literally, as soon as he said follow me. Yeah. Oh, my friend. No. What guy?
Sir,
You
still
son of a
on.
gun.
The machines
I was gonna
still
find
home.
Break
Full
signal.
of life and death.
What? So you're telling me they added more things to this? I remember when you get 8 tapes, you... I'm not gonna let her die like this. Gotta save her. No.
Over here.
No. It wasn't worth it. What was that? I swear that's like some kind of power up. Alright. I'm like, email this and I can't see. Break it. I can actually do something. Yes, I broke something. I did something. Oh. Come on, break him. We got this, man. My breath tweaks my face right now. But I'm playing this. Break him, come on. You gotta break him. Monster ain't gonna hurt you. I kinda wanna die, but break it. This is here. Can we do it? Yes! Yes! Suffer! Yes, we did it, and I survived. I survived a war game and got jump scared too. Right, but that is gonna do it for the human part of this. Now it's back to the demon, which of course has to have less parts, but just back to the demon. Alright guys, we got another demon. Darcy. Honestly, I'm not gonna play as her just because she looks scary. I don't want to scare him too bad, but I asked nicely and they let me play, so that's pretty nice of them. Oh yeah, it was Black Ops 2 Zombies. It wasn't the stream fail, but it was one I recorded without live streaming. And I don't know how many people saw that live stream, but I probably won't live stream again. I might eventually, but not right now. But okay, we're still recording. Alright, I'm ready. Now we just need him ready, or her, whatever gender you are. Okay. I'm glad. I'm happy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me summon. Let me summon this. There is someone. Shh. Please don't turn around. Boom! Yeah. Come on, kill it. Go on, kill it. Yes, I think I did it. She's dead. The demon has struck and has killed its prey. Something rather like oh gosh darn it. Use my powers. I'm using my powers to my full ability. And look at that. It actually is helpful. Because they're both in the area.
Hey!
Yeah. I know they can do this. I'm actually doing good. I like this guy. Also a demon. I'm gonna jump him. Oh crap. Dervion left, so I don't know when Dervion was playing, but okay. LB makes you teleport right near them. That's actually, I didn't know that, I forgot about that. But we're just gonna kill all of them. We're gonna try it. I think we have a good chance of killing all of them. At least I do. The person's very communicative, but it's kind of irritating at the same time having to look over and see a chat. But, you know what? They just want to be communicative. They have footprints. What? I thought I had it. Okay, I'll leave. Bye. No, it's teleporting me a 450. They might be regretting letting me be a demon. I've already killed one of their friends. And it took them a while to kill that person. Last time.
They resonate with the frequency.
I had to listen to that because I'm just trying to follow the footsteps. They're walking pretty weird, but there they are. You're not going to escape me. Please be alone. No! Bye. I'm just gonna teleport out of there. I'm not gonna get there. I'm so close to them. I'm glad I chose to teleport. Because I bet you would have teleported further away. I'm commentating live. I'm surprised. I normally never make nothing to talk about. come on. Come on, place down the trap. Place down the trap. Place down the trap. Aw, dang it. Teleported me way too far away. Oh, come on! I swear. Die. Yes, sucker. I am such a strategic player when it comes to this game. Like, you don't know what is happening. I kinda wish I was playing with friends, but not that. No, they're all leaving. They're all leaving. No. Hi. Nope. Wait, what? Hold on. I did it! The demon has succeeded. 2 people left. I wonder why. Investigators have been devoured and the ancient evil awakens from its slumber. Aw, come on, they rage quit? Are you for real? I think I can find another game just in time. Ooh. Is it gonna let me be the creature? No. Alright. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been Psycho Crimson Ginger. See ya, Psychos.